What is up today, guys? My name is Justice. My brother Winston is usually in these videos, but he is not going to be with us today. So I caught some interesting footage today, so I thought I would share it with you guys. They're some baby robins. A few are, or some are older than others. You'll be able to see by the feathers and stuff. We did not touch them. Yeah, there's a cat trying to get into my pickup. She just can't resist. Oh, now I scared her. But, yeah, so that's what she feeds on. She probably heard me talking about them. So, they're not in here, cat. But anyway, we did not touch them because we wanted their mother to come back to them and continue to raise them because I like to see birds. I think they're kind of cool. So, hopefully, with that, you'll enjoy. Alright, so we are getting ready to move this machine. And we found something kind of interesting in this department. So I'll open it for you. And look what we found. Now we have not touched them, or we will not touch them, because we want their mother to still come back and claim them, but it's in a mini excavator. So, just thought that was a fun and kind of a neat fact. Alright, so we are moving this machine and we looked in this compartment and we found, hopefully you can see that, a few more babies. They've got a little more feather, a few more feathers on them. And those birds were right in there. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. It was not as long as our usual videos, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of our videos, which hopefully you do. So, I guess with that said, I'm going to wrap it up for the day, and we'll catch you on the next one.